The hype is real. I've been seeing it absolutely everywhere. The Quest 3 is just around the corner, and Meta seems to have more holes than a sinking ship. As we now not only have the unboxing of the Quest 3, yes, a fully blown unboxing that we checked out in this video, but we also have the release date. That and so much more in today's video. What is up everyone, I'm Mysticle, and let's jump right into today's VR news. First things first, let's talk about the release date. This was originally posted by IronBugVR on Twitter, saying, so I was looking at Amazon Canada and noticed this. Is this for real? So this is an Amazon listing for the Quest 3 on Amazon Canada. And at the bottom, under product details, you can see release date October 10th, 2023. Now, this is interesting for a number of different reasons, as A, it would line up with the way Meta released the Quest 2, first talking about it on Connect and then releasing it a few weeks later, because Connect is supposed to happen on the 27th. And secondly, it doesn't line up with Amazon's normal placeholder release dates, which are the 31st of December. That and this whole page was taken down just a little while after this was posted. So it's all incredibly suspicious and seems to line up. This is very, very exciting as we're all awaiting the next generation of standalone VR for consumers. And now we know that it truly isn't that long away. Let me know your opinions down below. Are you awaiting the Quest 3? Are you excited for the device? Or do you think that it is just a little bit too expensive to be as big of a hit as the Quest 2 was? I personally do think that it will not be as big of a hit as the Quest 2, simply because of the price of entry. So I am hoping that somewhere on the side, possibly in the future, if not during this Connect, Meta starts releasing some sort of Quest Mini, possibly without the AR capabilities or something like that, to make the device a little bit cheaper for people that might want to get into virtual reality, have the latest processing power, but don't necessarily require all the bells and whistles. Now, don't get me wrong, I think the Quest 3 and all of its features are amazing, and I will most certainly be going for that over something like a Quest Mini. However, I do realize that $500 is a lot compared to something like the Quest 2, and it's even more here in Europe. So, would love to hear your opinions down below. Now, Horizon running on mobile. This was teased a while back, Meta releasing Horizon for mobile and opening it up to more platforms, hopefully allowing more people to join and working with the whole idea of a metaverse where it's completely open to all platforms and you can join no matter what you're running on. Well, we have first footage of Horizon Worlds running on a mobile phone. Meta has opened a closed beta for Horizon Worlds on a smartphone, and the first footage has emerged. Meta now lets you apply to join the waitlist to try Horizon on mobile, and it seems to already be letting some users in. Ex-user Luna posted footage which they told Upload VR they captured after discovering that they had access in the MetaQuest app on their Pixel 6a. So this is interesting. I do wonder whether this means that Horizon Worlds will be downloadable through the MetaQuest app as if it was a store on your phone, or whether it will appear on something like the Google Play Store. And this seems to be confirmed as the registration site FAQ confirms Horizon on Android is available through the existing MetaQuest app. It's not a new app, and states early access of a web-based version is also coming soon, if it hasn't started already. The MetaQuest app is actually the Horizon app. You can seemingly play it through the MetaQuest app. So this isn't a separate app, it is actually part of the MetaQuest app. That's interesting. That's one way to do it. And adding to that, Luna has also posted Meta Horizon Worlds PC footage. So as I said earlier, Meta is planning on having this working on basically all of the platforms that they can. And first comes Android and PC, or so it seems. And of course, PC is going to make a lot of sense here, just like VRChat. VRChat is also expanding to mobile. More on that in just a little second. However, here we can see Meta Horizon Worlds working on PC. So in case you're into Meta Horizon Worlds, very soon you should be able to play it on multiple different platforms and join your worlds and friends no matter where you are or whether you have a VR headset with you. This again fits with the whole idea of a metaverse and being interconnected no matter where you are. So I overall think this is a good thing, as I think all of these platforms should have access to these metaverse apps. And I keep going like this because we talked about the metaverse before, the whole idea of a metaverse, and the whole idea of a metaverse is essentially there shouldn't be all of these apps. It should be one interconnected space. So all of these companies making their own metaverse doesn't really work in the whole idea of a metaverse. Count how many times I said metaverse. And going back to that idea, VRChat Mobile is now in alpha. Well, they have been since August 17th. To quote off of their blog, "We're excited to announce that VRChat Mobile Alpha has begun. This is a big moment for us, and we're excited to give our users the ability to take VRChat with them wherever they happen to be going." VRChat for mobile was announced a while back. We talked about it. A lot of people were super excited about it. However, it's now here. Remember, this is an alpha. This is an opportunity for you to help the team test the mobile app across devices and in a variety of different environments. VRChat was already available on PC as well as standalone VR headsets, so them expanding to even more platforms I do believe is going to bring in even more users. Same with Horizon. I do think them expanding to other platforms is going to bring in more users, whether you think that's a good or a bad thing. How do you get into the alpha? Well, it's pretty simple. Here it is, VRChat Alpha right here on the Play Store, and downloading it is as simple as just pressing install. However, unfortunately, you will not be able to hop in if you don't have VRChat Plus. Right now, the alpha is only for subscribers of VRChat Plus. This has been a deliberate choice to, well, slow down everyone's roll a bit. I can see why they're doing this. They are testing and they want their more dedicated users, I guess, to tell them about bugs, etc. As if a lot of people jumped in, they might get overwhelmed. And I feel like a lot of people would just jump in knowing that it's an alpha, but they wouldn't actually tell the developers about any of the bugs or anything. They just play the game and not really care about the bugs, which is not what they want. They want to polish it out, as they say here in the blog post, which I will leave a link to down below. And finally, I've got some info for you guys from KatVR. I do actually have their brand new treadmill for review. However, unfortunately, because the studio is still flooded, I haven't been able to do that yet. The video is being worked on, and I'm very, very excited to share it with you, as it's one of my first larger projects inside the new studio. However, again, right now, not really possible. But KatVR hasn't stopped spreading the love, and they actually have a giveaway going right now that you guys can join in order to win the brand new KatWalk C2 Core and a Grimlord key giveaway. All you have to do is press the link down below. It's a link to the Gleam.io page, and I've been told that winners will be chosen completely randomly by Gleam's algorithm on the 15th of September. So if you want to join, link is down below. And there is a secret code that will grant you extra entries that you can find throughout this video. So good luck, and this is where we're going to end it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you are all doing amazing today, and in case you're not, I hope this video could cheer you up a little bit. You are all absolutely incredible, and I do not know how to thank you enough for watching these videos. We recently reached 200,000 subscribers, which is a milestone that completely blows my mind, and if I had proper internet in here, we would be live streaming right now, celebrating. However, because everything is flooded, well, that's not really possible. But I just want you to know that it means miles to me, and honestly, I've never been good with words. Either way though, if you guys like this one, please do leave a like. It costs you nothing, helps the channel out a lot. If you disliked it, I guess the phone works too, but let me know why down below. And thank you so much to the amazing, incredible Patreons that are supporting this channel. You guys are helping me out so much through these times. You have absolutely no idea. So seriously, much love. You guys are amazing. In case you guys are not yet part of our community, check out our Discord and our Reddit down below, where I would love to see you posting your spice memes. And as usual, if you want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel, make sure to smack the subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.